Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Shopify admin workflows for inventory and order. To configure Shopify admin workflows for inventory and order tasks, first, log into your Shopify admin panel. On the dashboard, navigate to the Settings option located at the bottom left corner. In the Settings menu, select Notifications. Scroll down to the Order Notifications section. Here, you can customize which team members will receive notifications when orders are placed. For efficient communication, consider adding a dedicated inventory manager's email for stock alerts. Next, return to the Settings menu and choose Users and Permissions. Add team members who will handle inventory tasks by clicking Add Staff. After adding users, go to the Products tab in the left sidebar. Here, review your current inventory levels for each product. To track inventory accurately, enable the Track Quantity option for each item. Next, if you offer back orders, you can select the Continue Selling when out of stock option. Once inventory settings are adjusted, focus on order fulfillment. Navigate to the Orders section from the left sidebar. Review the fulfillment settings to automate order processing. Consider setting up fulfillment services for efficient shipping and handling. You can also integrate third-party apps to streamline your order tasks. After configuring these settings, test your workflows with a test order. Monitor the notifications and inventory updates to ensure they function correctly. Before finalizing, review your team permissions to ensure everyone has access to the necessary features. Once you're satisfied, you're ready to manage inventory and orders efficiently in Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.